Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today at ICCSCI 2025. We are honored to present our research paper entitled The Ethics of Artificial Intelligence in Modern Society and Comprehensive Literature Review. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Prabhaswara Trispati, and I will be presenting alongside my partner, Dava Rizal Gunawan. Together, we are Group 10, and over the past few months, we have explored the ethical dimensions of artificial intelligence, an area of increasing importance as AI continues to shape many aspects of modern life. Slide 2, abstract. In this study, we conduct an extensive literature review to examine the ethical challenges posed by AI technologies in today's society. We aim to understand not only the general concerns, but also the principles, real-world dilemmas, and frameworks that guide ethical AI development. Our abstract outlines the core themes of the paper. One, identification of recurring ethical principles. Two, comparative analysis of frameworks, integration of case studies, and a discussion on where AI ethics stands today. We conclude with recommendation on how to build more ethical and inclusive AI system for the future. Slide 3, introduction. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is shaping healthcare, education, law enforcement, and even creative industries. But with its power comes responsibility. Who decided what's a right or wrong for an AI system? What happens when algorithm discriminates or harms someone? This introduction lays the foundation for our paper by highlighting these central questions. The letter reveals growing concern about autonomy, fairness, bias, and transparency. Our objective to make sense of these issues and review how the global AI community is trying to respond ethically. Slide 4, methodology literature review. For the first part of our methodology, we adopt a systematic literature review approach. We selected academic journals, institutional reports, and ethical guidelines based on three criteria. The first criteria is reference to current AI ethical discourse. The second is influence and citation count. And the last one, diversity in ethical perspectives ranging from Western to Eastern and Global South ideologies. By synthesizing data from over 30 sources, we identify common themes and constructing perspective in how ethics is framed in the AI domain. This is a table, ethical principle in AI. This table shows the core ethical principles that are frequently mentioned across the literature review. Here we see transparency, which refers to the explainability of AI decision, fairness, which deals with avoiding bias and discrimination, and then accountability, which question who takes responsibility when things go wrong, and privacy, which highlight concern about surveillance and data misuse. Each principle reflects different stakeholders' concern, from engineers and companies to citizens and policymakers. Um, this is continue from the table 1. Continuing the same table, we include other important values such as human autonomy, which emphasize that humans must remain in control. Inclusiveness, ensuring AI benefits are shared across social groups, and sustainability, which urges developers to consider environmental impacts. One insight from this review is that while many principles are shared globally, different regions emphasize different values. For instance, China's AI principles stress harmony and social stability, while European frameworks lean heavily on individual rights and legal protections. And table 2, ethical dilemmas and issues. In this table, we shift focus from abstract principle to real-world ethical issue. Some examples include the first one, algorithmic bias, where AI system show unfair preference. And the second, the effects and misinformation which challenge truth in media. And the three, uh, data ownership, especially when AI models are trained on personal data. And the last one, and job displacement caused by automation replacing human labor. Each dilemma connects back to the principle we've discussed and help us understand how these values are tested in practice.
Uh, Hello, my name is Dava Fizal Gunawan. Now I'm going to continue the presentation. Methodology case studies. In addition to literature review, we examine case studies that illustrate ethical problem in real settings. Some cases we analyze include the COMPAS algorithm used in U.S. court, criticized for racial bias, facial recognition system used by police with a minimal concern, and AI-based hiring tools that discriminate against certain applicants. By assessing this incident, we identify key ethical gaps such as lack of oversight, poor transparency, and unclear accountability. Next. Comparative analysis of ethical frameworks. To understand how ethics is applied across institutions, we conduct a comparative analysis from several ethical frameworks, include those from the European Union, the OECD, and the IEEE. We found that although many frameworks agree on basic principles, their emphasis differs. For example, the UE prioritas legality and human rights, while IEEE focus more on ethics, assurance, and design process. The comparison help us see both area of consensus and divergence, which are important when developing global AI regulation. Next, funding and discussion. Our main findings show that there is still significant implements gap between ethical intention and a real-world AI system. Many organizations publish guidelines, but there is often first a lack of enforcement mechanism. Two, second is insufficient public participation in ethical decision, and the third one is an unclear responsibility when things goes wrong. We also observe that emerging AI technologies such as generative AI are outpacing existing ethical frameworks. This means there's a urgent need to revisit and update ethical models more dynamically. Next. To conclude, uh, we argue that AI ethical must be proactive, not reactive. Technology move fast, but ethics must catch up faster. Our key recommendation are: first is cross-sector collaboration between technology, philosopher, and legislator. Second one is global coordination to align ethical standard while respecting local culture. And the third one is public engagement so that AI develop includes diverse human voice. Only through this step can we ensure that AI remains a tool for good and not source of harm. This is our reference. This slide lists the key source we consult. This include high impact journal, official policy document, and ethic guideline from respected bodies. By grounding our analysis in credible literature, we aim to offer both depth and balance in our conclusion. That's all from us. That conclude our presentation. Through this study, we aim to highlight how ethical consideration must evolve alongside technology and advance in artificial intelligence. We believe that building responsible and inclusive AI system is not just a technical challenge, but a moral one. It requires awareness, accountability, and collective commitment from all sectors of society. Once again, we are Group 10. My name is Dava Afzal and my partner Babas Walatiruspati. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Thank you.